Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna be doing the most trending video on YouTube, that is nothing but the I tried following a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna be trying out Shreya Jain's method and talking about her. I really love her from the bottom of my heart because she's one Indian YouTuber who's been progressing so well, and her hard work and the consistency of her channel is incredible, and I really love her. And I'm so happy that she has got collaborated with YBP and her makeup line. I wish Shreya Jain to have her own makeup line very soon. And yeah, coming back to this video, I'm so happy and I'm so satisfied with the look that I've created because I've never had a brown lip, and also the nose pin. Everything is completely a transformation for me. So I'm doing a makeup tutorial wherein she has done the Indian Instagram baddie makeup tutorial. So that is what we are going to do in this um, tutorial, because in this video, not a tutorial. And also talking about her, picking up a video from her channel was really very difficult because she keeps on doing different things on her channel, and she keeps on experimenting with makeup and stuff, which was quite difficult for me to cope up. And I really hope have done good justice to what she's done and what she's doing. And yeah, a very important disclaimer is that this is solely a inspirational video, not to hurt anybody's feeling. If you really don't like the makeup now itself, you really can leave the video right here, and please no hate comments. I hope you guys understand my feelings as well. Without wasting any more time, let me just get started with the makeup. So she had a puffy eye. I'm not having one, so I'm just directly gonna skip that step and proceed with the next step. Okay, and for primer, she had used Maybelline One Day Perfect base. I really don't have, and most of the products that she had used, I don't have. I only have the foundation that she had used. So other than that, I'm gonna use whatever I have. So for primer, I'm gonna use Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, since because I have combination skin. Hers is totally a different skin from mine. So I hope I try to create whatever she has. So I'm gonna use that primer. And then for her lips, she's used a plumper. I don't have a plumper, so I'm gonna use my favorite lip serum. So this is a DIY lip serum that I prepared myself. So if you want to see the video, I'll link it down below in the bottom bar, so you can check that out. So I'm gonna use that for today, and I really love it, and it has given me extremely good results, and I totally love the results of it. So, and the next step is her foundation, and for foundation she's also used the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation with SPF 45, and I'm in the shade 05 Honeydew, and she used it like a Instagram way, and I'm gonna use it the same way as well. And I love this serum. Okay, so much. So I'm gonna take a and start laying all over my face. I thank so much. So, and the next step is using a concealer. I don't really prefer using a concealer, but since she has used, I'm also using, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 Medium Moyen. I really don't have any clue what the shade is all about, so as she's wearing, I'm just going to put it all over my face. So and the next step is baking your face, and for baking she's used Victoria's banana powder, which I don't even have no clue how to get it. So I'm gonna use the Lakme rose powder with sunscreen, and as she's used the same wet beauty blender to bake her face, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. I'm gonna just mess around using a brush. Since I know foundation skin type, I think I just have to the baking off. So, and the next step is bronzing and contouring, and for that I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution palette, and this is in the shade C01. Deepen up the bronzing thing, I'm gonna use a new product that I recently got, and I am yet to film the haul video, but then I thought, okay, let me just use this product alone. Ew, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna use Blue Heaven blusher, and this is in the shade 502. The next step is cheeks. So for cheeks she's used the balm How About Them Apples. So yeah, I'm gonna use the same Makeup Revolution palette for the blush as well. So the next is her highlight, and she's using a cream highlight first and then a powder highlight, which I don't have. I don't have a cream highlight, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that I have. So the same Revolution palette and the same highlight shade in that. And the next step is fixing everything using a makeup fixer, which I use is my own makeup fixer, which I prepared by myself. So this is the non-dewy one. I'm gonna use that all over my face to set what we have made so far. So moving on to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm gonna use most of the products that are from the Maybelline Nudes palette, and for my eyebrows I'm gonna use the brown shade because she's used a brown shade in there, so I'm gonna use the same brown shade from the palette for my eyebrows. So I've done my eyebrows a little thicker because she's also done the same way, so I've just followed the way that how she's done. So yeah, the next step is the eyes. I think I can use this shade here to just do it in my outer corner and the crease. So I'm gonna take a larger fluffier brush, as you can see, and work that onto my crease. Now that you can see, I've done my crease with a lighter brown color. I'm gonna take a darker brown and just work that on the outer corners and bring them in the lower corners as well. And for that I'm gonna use this dark brown that is here, so that I feel that might just fit in the color. I'm gonna take a flat brush and use, okay, I think I can go with this shade. I'll go with this shade. the shade up. The next step is using a cold kajal just to do the eyeliner part. So I'm gonna use the L18 kajal. I've applied the kajal. I'm just gonna smudge it off so that it brings her look. And for the mascara, I'm gonna use Essence Get Big Lashes. I love this mascara by itself. You see the difference? So I'm directly going ahead and using a brown shade. I think this was the only brown shade that I was able to find in the collection of mine. So this is from L'Oreal Paris 226 brown SUCRE. I really don't know how you should actually say that. So this was the brown that I was able to create, and I hope this was not up to the color that she has, but still, you know, somewhere near to it. Yeah, and I'm gonna finish this off by finishing my hair, and I'll just be right back. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm just back with all my hair and earrings and also the nose pin that she was wearing. I really love the finished look. I kind of love it so much. The eyes turned out to be really nice, and also brown lipsticks are never my choice, so this was the only lip color that I had, and this is a complete transformation for me from my other videos. If I had worn false lashes, I hope I would have looked really way more, you know, different from what I am or what I was actually. So this is the finished look, you guys. I'm so